Hi, my name is Annie Anderson, and I'm going to be teaching EDU 221, Educational Psychology and Measurement. And this is the video of getting to know your instructor. This is me. Sometimes you might see my face, sometimes you might just hear my voice, whatever. When you're emailing, this is who you're going to get. One thing that you probably should know about me is I love school. I love school so much I never left. I have gone to Minot State University in North Dakota with a 2-year degree in developmental disabilities. I've graduated with two bachelor's degrees from Dickinson State in North Dakota, one in university studies degrees. I know. What do you do with that? I'll tell you if you want if you want to know more about it. And then a bachelor's degree in elementary education. I have taught for 17 years in the elementary ed programs. I have taught kindergarten, preschool, third grade, fourth grade combo rooms, 7th and 8th grade English. And during that time when I was teaching, I also went back to school myself and got my master's degree in curriculum and instruction through Black Hills State University in Spearfish, South Dakota. Now, for the past 5 years, I have been teaching at Miles Community College, and I am in the Learning Center, where we teach everybody from adults who didn't finish high school the traditional way to students who are needing a little extra help with disability support services. And I'm also teaching education classes, so I kind of do that as well. I have taught the last couple years either at Dickinson State University as an adjunct or MSUB as an adjunct as well. So I love school. I never left. Like I said, I love the cyclic part of school. I love softball season. I love football season. I love syllabus. I love textbooks. I love reading. I love the start of something and then finishing it at the end at, Christmas break or semester break. And you're like, oh, there's accomplishment. I love that feeling. I love summer breaks. I love the idea of starting up again. I love planners. So my favorite day of the year really is the first day of school. So I am like super jazzed up about this. My second favorite day of the year, July 5th. Does anybody know why? That is when Walmart and Target clear out their 4th of July stuff and they bring in all of the like school supplies. So we have Ticonderoga pencils and Crayola markers and new planners and paper and the post-it notes and the whole thing. I absolutely just love that. So that's kind of where I'm coming from. So the experience that I am bringing to this class will definitely be teaching based. Of the video that you're going to see later on is going to explain like how this class is built by Dr. Bowman, who was actually from the psychology side of the school, and you're going to see like some of her videos pop in, and it's going to be more of like the psychology based. Mine's going to be more from an education standpoint. So of those of you who are going into teaching, this might be the good connecting that you need. Okay, that's a little bit about me. I am still in Miles City, Montana, so if you want to get a hold of me, you are welcome to use any of the emails I've put in the syllabus. So you can either go through MSUB, you can do D2L, or you can email me straight to Miles Community College. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Okay, so when you are doing your videos to introduce yourself, you have to tell me something about you that might be a little bit different. Here's mine. That's my sheep. I own sheep. So what I do with sheep is that's where I live, the land that I live on, and then that's my sheep. I have not a lot, but enough for what I can handle right now. So my plan is I shear them, I take care of them, I take the wool and have yarn made out of it. I do spin a little bit. I'm not very good at it, but that's kind of the whole idea. So that's what's kind of like new and crazy about me. What's new and crazy about you? I hope we get to know each other quite a lot this summer or this semester. I think that taking an online class is difficult sometimes because you don't get to know your classmates or your instructor or stuff like that, but we're going to try and do the best we can with videos and different group projects to get that going. So I'll see you in the next video and show you how the whole class works. Bye.